Okay, please. People can take a picture. Just please don't move. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for the initiative to remember us, honor Pele as we remember his passing. Pele, as we know, a son of Africa who brought the whole world together through sport, and a man from humble beginnings who rose to the level of excellence. And that is always an inspiration to many in the world with such a history, with such a background. And that gives them hope that in the same way they can do things that bring them to the same level. So I want to express our gratitude for being part of that remembrance, for being part